Right, we've got a bounced chocolate brownie that is chocolate coated peanut butter filled protein ball. It's obviously plant based, obviously. It says vegan on the packet. It's made in the UK. Let's see what this is like. It's like a ball thing, a big ball. This Mmm. Oh, that is chocolatey peanut butter goodness. Ooh. Oh. That feels like a lot, and it feels like a small thing, but it feels like a lot to eat. Oh, it's delicious. Oh. Mm. 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 Oh, that's delicious. Oh, I could eat a whole fucking part of those, and I probably shouldn't. That's why they come in one packet. Because I could easily demolish a load of those. Ooh. Ooh. Mm. Okay. That is fucking delicious. I love it.